So we have the GOAT, Neville Goddard, the greatest of all time. He makes it so easy with the law of assumption. So you create an imaginal scene that implies that you already have your desire. So if you want something, what would you be doing if you already had it? And then you go to bed in this assumption for 3 nights in a row. The only thing that's stopping you is yourself. You're trying to look for other techniques. You're worshiping outer things. He's already told you how to do it. Before you go to bed, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. And you do this for a couple of nights until you feel the naturalness of it, and that's it. You have to do nothing else. Stop looking for other coaches. Stop looking for all these videos. Stop looking for all these techniques. What's going to work the fastest? What's going to work the fastest is when you actually do it. That's how you get your results. You're delaying your own results by trying to pick another method and another